If you're watching this, that means you bought a banner, right? So it's probably gonna look something like this. So we're gonna have a supply list right here. So, you know, it's gonna be alcohol, and there's gonna be a rag, R-A-G, rag, right? Then you're gonna need a banner, right? Banner, and then you're gonna need patience.
Just spell that.
P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. See, I was right. Origin, Middle English from Old French, Latin. Okay, we're getting off topic.
We're getting so off topic.
LSTER.
Need a scraper or like an ID or a credit card.
Can you open your eyes wider?
Okay, so you're gonna get your alcohol in your window or wherever you're putting it.
And one lighter, right?
Just a light amount. Not, you don't want too much. About one shot. Then it's gonna be like right here. So just wipe it all. You know, if you don't know what this is for, it's to get off contaminants and all that. Then you can flip it and dry it.
So excited.
Okay, so you're gonna put the sticky tape side down, right? You're gonna start from left to right. Crease it, and then you peel at an angle, whatever angle this is.
3 hours later.
And just keep scanning left, right. Like right there's a piece that I missed. Right, you guys see that?
This shit is so hard to see because it's white.
You see that right there? So you're gonna move it back, press down. Don't mind my fingernails, guys.
He was scratching his ass.
Okay, so after you get that. Okay, does that look center? Get down a little more. All 4 corners down. You grab your card.
Your Costco card.
Always start from the center. Oh, I can show that side. Go up. If it creases like that, just lift it up.
See, I wish Keelan told me this when he was putting mines on. The mines came out so fucked up. Really? I think this came out pretty good.
Make sure it's all flat. Okay, so we're gonna start from the top one. So it's the same exact thing. Just slowly pull it down. He's doing karaoke. And make sure to pull it straight down. We're done with the first half. Now you could take a little break, get some water. You know. And we're back. A good little break. We're hydrated now. Just be really careful. We're done. Oh, fuck. So let me know if you guys need help. Just DM us. But should look like this. Yeah. Huh, I wonder what's missing.
Yeah, I wonder.
There's something missing about this. Weird. I wonder what's.
Holy shit, Keaton, the bumper is gone. I just
Holy shit! Where's my bumper?
Where the fuck is it?
Oh, where's my bumper at, bro? Who took that shit?
Well, you know, my bumper's kind of fucked up.
Oh, where is my bumper?
You look skinnier than tomorrow.
Man, fuck you with all this shit.
Horizontally challenged.
Vertically fucking challenged.
Okay, so.